Alright, YouTubers, here we go again. Happy Black Friday, everybody. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. Everybody is full. Everybody is safe. Now let's get down to the nitty gritty. We got the Cyber Monday sales going on right now also. That's coming up this Monday. And then, pretty much Santa Claus will be coming down our chimneys. So if you guys want, check these guys out. My link will be down below. Click on that. See what other goodies they have to offer. You never know. You might find something for yourself or a family member or neighbor, co-worker, somebody you care about. Time to open this thing up. And yeah, like I said, we got, I think, a month now till Santa drops down with Rudolph and the rest of the reindeer and elves. Make sure you leave your cookies out. Not the other cookies, but, the normal cookies. Uh-oh. There we go. Oh, boy. This is a traveling case. Keep this in the background. I got something here. It's pretty heavy. Sounds like some turntables. Okay. I think those. Alright. Ooh. That's where you put the soap. Ooh, stinky. It's like brand new. That brand new smell. Bada boom. Bada bing. Put the battery in there and it does its thing. Pretty cool. Pressure washer system. You can start your own detailing business. Portable high pressure water gun. But ooh. Clean this up a little bit. This is Nozzle. Nice Amazon orange. Not sure if they use orange anymore. Is it just the blue? Oh, it's EveAge. We've had the cement surface cleaner we did a few days ago. Pretty cool. Charger. Standard. Plug it in. We got another nozzle for detailing. Another one, so you get two for the price of one. And this kind of looks like those K-cups with some kind of thing. And here we go. Another nozzle. This is like the standard, I believe. Get that little guy out of there. Here's the big one. And we got the hose. And, well, I mean, this will be a nice little case also for other things besides this. But, if you started your own business, this will be a good thing to take with you. Alright, let's see how this is set up. Pretty interesting. Portable car wash safety. Do not direct the flow of water to equipment containing electrical components. Yeah, that's not a good idea. Okay. Installation process. Open the box. Alright. Insert the battery pack into the fuselage, as shown in the figure securely. Oh. Boom, boom, boom. So all I need to do is have some fun. This is a hose. Okay. Well, slide it here. Whoa. Ah. Whoa. I'm just thinking of something right now. I know it's pretty evil. But we know that works. So if I just fill this up with water, I could just go wash my car. Okay. Huh. Really cool. Fill that up with your stuff, clean the undercarriage, your rims, pretty much anything else you can clean. I don't know why my dog barking. Hold on. Alright guys, sorry about that. I guess he got scared of his own shadow sometimes. That's alright, dogs see different than us, so you never know. Alright, that's a little dirty, but it's alright. So, like I said, you could just fill this up, and then should be easy. Easy to put together. Let's see if I did it right before I show you guys. Just wish they had a little better instructions. I mean, they could have added a QR code at least to the website and show, you know? I have no idea what I'm doing with this thing. Okay, we'll take this out. Well, I think it goes like here. Does it fit? It's just looks weird. I don't think that's the way it's supposed to go, but if you guys figure out once you get it make a video about it. I mean, here we go. There's something here. We'll figure it out as we go. That don't fit like that, so this must go like this. Oh yeah. See? That worked. That's pretty cool. So definitely, guys, check them out. Like I said, I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link down below. EveAge. Definitely check these guys out. They got a lot of cool power tools. So if you're looking for something for husband, boyfriend, partner, grandfather, father, uncle, cousin, nephew. So yeah, they got a lot of cool stuff. EveAge. Bang, bang, bang. All right. Be safe. Get some good deals. And see you soon.